Hey everyone, welcome back to my third video. Today I just want to give you a quick update on my PC, share some random talks, talk about my pseudo NAS, and the little mod I tried to do on my desk chair with for the studio. So I messed up. Right at the start of this channel I didn't upload at least once a week, and the algorithm is definitely punishing me for it. The second video barely got any views. Still, I think I'm going to stick with this channel. As for the other channels I made in the past, which are all pretty much dead, I probably keep them just for nostalgia, but they are gone. I thought about re-uploading everything on a single channel, but the topics are way too different. Anyway, for now I keep going with this one, and I have to upload something weekly. Let's start with the PC. The technician finally managed to test all the components. Basically, power supply, motherboard and CPU are all gone. The PCU was obviously dead, since I literally heard the pop and you can hear little pieces rattling inside, probably a blown capacitor. The motherboard completely dead, no signs of life, but also no visible burn marks. And the CPU works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, it's basically done too. This is exactly what I didn't need right now. I'm really hoping Amazon comes through with the warranty. Since there isn't much more to say about that, let's move on to my NAS. Well, my fake NAS. So I bought a 4TB hard drive to replace my 18TB one, which seems like it's already dying after not even 2 years of use. After this, I might buy 2 more 4TB drives. Before messing with the drives, as always, I cleaned up my desk. While cleaning, I had a doubt. How do you properly position a Western Digital 18TB drive so it doesn't get damaged? I wanted to place it correctly, so I did a little research. Et voila, positioned the right way. Back to the new drive. I installed it in my so-called NAS to initialize it and start transferring files. In reality, it's just an old PC case full of hard drives with the long SATA cables running to the motherboard of another PC, the one I use for storage and backups. It's basically an extension of my PC. Since I didn't have enough room inside the main case, I put the drives in another one. That second case has its own power supply, which I turn on with a tiny switch. And usually I power on the NAS case first, then after about 10 seconds I start the PC that controls the drives. The case has 2 intake fans blowing filtered air directly on the drives. Once I connected and then initialized the new drive in Windows, I started copying everything I could from the 18TB drive. Luckily, it wasn't full and some stuff was already backed up elsewhere. Honestly, this is something I should have done months ago, but like always, I postponed it. I think the only reason I built this do-it-yourself NAS is because I had the MSI 790FX GD70 with 8 SATA ports. Newer motherboards always have fewer. The only thing I had to buy for it was SATA extensions, maybe 10-20 euros total. I also had to cut part of the PC case with the Dremel to fit the cable through. I'm actually really proud of this setup, but with my upcoming move, I have to rebuild the entire PC room from scratch. It's going to be a massive job. Just thinking about moving everything makes me tired. And since I have everything disassembled anyway, I might as well clean every PC thoroughly, which is also a huge job. While working, I suddenly noticed one of the chair wheels was wandering off on its own. It had come loose from the steel pin, and the more I checked, the more I realized none of the wheels were spinning properly. They were all worn out and crooked. I know there are better chair wheels out there, but I didn't want to spend money. Then I had an idea. Why not use the old rollerblade wheels I had lying around? They even had ball bearings. I checked, and I had exactly 10 wheels with bearings, all rusty but usable. Exactly what I needed. So I started analyzing everything to see if the idea was actually doable. The original chair wheel pin is 5mm. The rollerblade wheel bearing hole is 8mm. So I have to widen the hole by 1.5mm, but it looked like it could work. I started working. First step, cleaning as always. Then I bought some 8mm bolts, nice and long, plus the nuts and the washers. I turned down the chair wheels, cleaned everything and started disassembling them one by one. It wasn't easy. I had to use screwdrivers and pliers. After cleaning everything again, I grabbed my vise and began widening the hole with an 8mm drill bit. While doing that, I went to the and chewed part of the threaded rod of the vise, but I don't think it's too big a deal. I mounted the first wheel and wow, it actually didn't look bad. Basically, jumbo wheels for my office chair. I tested them and here are my thoughts. Yeah, the chair looks kind of cool and once it picks up speed it doesn't stop. But you need a ton of friction force to get the wheels spinning, which makes it annoying for moving around the studio. So in the end, I ended up buying proper replacement wheels, which is exactly what I didn't want to do. And honestly, they are way better. Since they are taller, it takes less force to spin them, plus they have swivel bearings. But for the same reason, the chair is slightly less stable sometimes, because the wheels sit more inward compared to the original ones. Still a good purchase. As for the rollerblade wheels I made, I keep them for when I want to try skating around in a skate park with a chair. For that, they'd probably be perfect. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the updates and the randomness, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, especially while it's still small. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.